You guys, there are so many ways to pair beans. Today we are making beans and corn. So sit back and let's do this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. I will be using soft chicken, so I'm going to chop up some onions, fresh curry leaves. I'm going to add my seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning. Add little water to enable the chicken to steam cook for 6 to 8 minutes on a medium heat. In another pot, I will add my frozen fresh corn and my cooked black eye beans. I'm going to add little water, cover and allow to cook on a low heat. Meanwhile, I will prep my other ingredients: onions, curry leaves, fresh tomatoes, bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. Once I'm done, I will set aside for later use. It's been 8 minutes. I check on the chicken, it's halfway cooked. I'm going to transfer in my air fryer for a while to cook through. For the stew base, I will add vegetable oil in a pot, allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my chopped onions and curry leaf. Stir very well to combine and allow it to fry for a while. I'm going to add some tomato paste, not too much, and allow to fry. Next, I will add my blended tomatoes and peppers, seasoning powder. Mix very well to combine and allow it to fry. Few minutes later, I check on the stew. It has fried really well. I'm going to add the chicken stock. Mix and transfer the stew in my cooked beans and corn. Gently mix and allow it to cook on a low heat. I will be adding spinach for more nutrients. I'm going to transfer in a bowl, add hot water to blanch it. That way it will reduce excess water from the spinach. I'm going to take it to my sink, run very cold water on it to stop it from cooking. Now this is the spinach. As you can see, it has reduced. That way it will not transfer too much moisture in whatever you are cooking. I'm going to add the spinach now. Mix very well to combine and it's ready. You guys, this meal is addicting. My children love it so much. I cook beans in several ways, so this is one of their best. So delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.